unbox with me, but poor edition, because oh God, the sun is so hot. Ngayon ang naman dilim. So guys, if you're in Philippines, ang init talaga, ang dilim eh. So if you're in the Philippines, basta nakuha ko nga pala to nung nakaraan. Hindi ako nag-video nun. Nakuha ko tong mini cola. Saka itong stamped with name. Dito ang dalawang beads sa ribbon and the flower and the ring. This ring. That ring. And today, ay nahulog. But today, we're going to unbox. I have many unboxes here. And this. And ito pa. And ito pa. And ito pa. First is we're gonna open these two. Okay, so balik ko muna to. So I want to get the ano guys. What is this? I want to get the raccoon keychain or the pogs. So this first. I want to get the raccoon. Like seriously. Wait. Is this the raccoon? 1, 2, 3. This is not even raccoon, bro. I want to get the raccoon keychain or any. Yep. Okay, if this is the raccoon, I will already get so happy. Bro, what the heck? What is this? Oh my God. No. Guys, comment down below. 1 to 8. 1 to 11. Bye.